This video will walk you through finding your discipline assessment project plans on the Division Assessment resource page. Scroll down to the Planning and Reporting Documents table. Use the filters to find the document you want to access. Start with the division. Click on the down arrow. Find your division, hover over it, and then choose Only to display just that one division. Now click somewhere in the table to hide the division dropdown. Next, filter further with the resource type. Sort by Discipline Assessment Project Plans. Again, click somewhere else in the table to hide the filter. Now select the proper discipline project plan by reading which courses are listed under Courses and Descriptions. Click on View Resource link on the far right. If you do not see your document in the table, it may be that the CTLA has not added it yet. It is a manual process. So check in your Google Drive to make sure that it's there, and then reach out to the CTLA and we will add it to the table. After clicking the View Resource, a few things might occur depending on your authentication status. First, the document might open right away. You're all good to go, you're signed in with your CGC email, and you are a collaborator in the document. As a collaborator, you can share the plan with others if anyone on your team runs into the next issue. A message on the screen says, "You need access." Do not request access. Instead, check to make sure you're signed in as your MEID at cgc.edu. If so, your team member will need to share the document with you. If you are, then you may not have been given editing rights to the plan. Your team member will need to share the document with you. That will be shown shortly. If you are using a non-CGC email, click on the email address that you are signed in as. A screen with a choice of your personal email and maybe your CGC email will pop up. Choose the CGC email or click Sign in to another account. If you are asked to log into your Google account, use the email yourmeid at cgc.edu to log in. While we all use the first name last name email, authenticating with Google takes our default email, which is actually structured with the MEID. Let me show you real fast how to share the plan with other team members. On the Google Doc, click Share at the top right. Type in the team member's CGC email address. Ensure they are listed as an editor. Or if you only want others to have view access, you may change the permission type in the dropdown to View or Comment, and then select Send. Now let me show you how to find the plan in your Google Drive. The documents created by the templates are stored within the Google Drive. So you can find your planning and reporting documents within your school Google Drive if you have viewing or editing rights to the document. Find Google Drive from the Waffle app menu located at the top of your school Gmail. Search your Google Drive for the Discipline Assessment Project Plan by using the keywords Assessment Project Plan or Assessment Map if you're looking for that. As always, be sure to reach out to the CTLA if you need further assistance.